welcome back to my channel. I'm Morg V, you know me. If you are new to this corner of the internet, over here we talk hair, beauty, all things just being black girl. If you like that, click subscribe. I post when I can post, when the Lord blesses me to post. I'm very low maintenance, okay? You don't have to do much over here. I just ask that you keep it positive and we keep it cute and we be mindful. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this 90s vintage look. But first, before we get into that, I want to give a huge shout out to Luisa for sponsoring this video. Luisa is a jewelry company based in New York. They have eco-friendly, sustainable jewelry. I worked with them about 5 going on 6 months ago, and they sent me a couple pieces and I reviewed it for them. I have not come back to talk about that jewelry, but long story short, their jewelry is the bomb. I've been wearing it in and out. I sleep in their jewelry. I shower in their jewelry. It upholds so freaking well. The seasons are changing, so I decided to get jewelry that was gold. It's my favorite to wear gold jewelry in the winter. Now I feel like I can just rock these pieces as I want. These pieces are really going to come in handy for the entire season. These are their Kiara earrings. These are the earrings. These earrings are super gorgeous, beautiful, okay? Very bold, but still elegant. They look heavy, honestly. They have a smaller version of these, if I'm not mistaken. I thought they would be heavier. They are not as heavy as they look. They are very lightweight, comfortable. It's like I can't even feel them on my ears until I like, so classy. Oh, they go so well with like today's look and everything. We have this beautiful aura band. Y'all, this was on my collection wish list from them for so long, since I even worked with them. I went to their Instagram for myself and I was like, ooh, this bracelet is so cute. I didn't even think they would send it to me, and look, and God, they sent it to me. Do y'all see this? This is giving Rolex on my arm right now, and I love this band. It's one of their heavier pieces, but it's so lightweight. If you are interested in these pieces, go ahead, click the link in my description box, use my coupon code for a little bit off at checkout. That helps me out so much, and that helps out Luisa. Luisa is so sustainable, from their packaging to the actual jewelry itself. I love how the packaging is. I love the packaging that is travel friendly as well as eco-friendly. I'm styling today's pieces from Luisa with my own jewelry. These pieces were sent to me by a good friend. I have this cute pinky ring. It's a gold with silver diamonds in it, and I love it so much. Also, this colorful gold ring, and it has different colors through it. I think I lost a few of the stones in it, which is like, you know, very unfortunate. But I love these rings so much just because they fit so perfectly, and I wear them with everything because they're so like just quiet looks. But also this colorful one is so me, just because like I'm full of colors and I radiate all different types of things throughout the day, so it goes with so much. Also, I have this clear band on. It has this very elegant yellow gold emblem in the middle, and I absolutely love it for that reason, and it just goes so perfectly with every gold piece. I want to thank Luisa so much for sponsoring today's video and hitting me back up to work with them. I'm like, hold on, Luisa want to work with little me again? I must have did a good job in the first video, so go show that video some love and go show Luisa some love. Go check it out. Use my coupon link. That helps me so much, and I would really appreciate it. You're supporting my channel as well as me, and you're also supporting Luisa, who supports good things. And I believe that we should support more people who are doing good in the world on a corporate level than bad. Check out Luisa. Tell them Morg V sent you. Like and comment on this video. Tell me what y'all think about this hair. This piece of hair is bothering me, y'all. It's giving it girl. I really like it the more I wear it. Tell me what y'all think. I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Now, if you want to get your hands on these pieces or explore more of Ana Luisa's stunning collection, I've got you covered. They've got you covered. They have their biggest sale going on right now. This is their October sale, and I've added my personal link right at the top of the description box. So make sure you click on it and treat yourself to something amazing before the sale ends. Trust me, you will not regret this purchase. Plus, supporting brands like Ana Luisa means supporting sustainability, as they're all about creating beautiful, eco-conscious pieces. So please do something good for yourself and for the planet. Don't forget, you guys, the link is in my bio for the next few videos, so you'll be able to find it easily. And by using it, you'll be supporting my channel as well as a brand that aligns with so many of our values. Let's spread the love for fashion that's sustainable. Let's show our support for luxury that is eco-conscious, stylish, and affordable. Alright, now let's jump into today's video. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa afterward.
Let me know how you feel like this hair turned out. I know this look is a little different. Not too much on me, but just let me know what you guys think. As you know, I don't know how to cut, curl, or even style hair, but I do the best I can, baby, because I don't have nobody else to do my hair. Let's talk hair together, right? I don't know what I feel about this hair. All I know is that I probably really butchered this half wig, but I'm still liking the look. It is what it is. Okay, it came out how it came out, and this is it. It's very hot in here right now, and me trying to blend my hair in with this wig was not working out how I thought. Not the bangs. This little situation was really an accident, but I don't know, I think it's kind of cute. Or at least it works for me, and it didn't want to blend. It started to go well, but midway through it started getting hot. My roots started reverting. Y'all know 4C is gonna revert every time, and my hair barely gets straightened or any heat to it, but it's no big deal. That's why this little bayang situation is going right here. I don't really know how to cut hair, and this hair would not curl. Even though it said it holds heat, it does hold heat. It's straightened, but it does not curl. It was a pretty curl. I didn't want to lose it all the way. I just like to brush out curls, but this did not turn out too bad. I can't stop looking at it though. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below some thoughts, what you would have done differently. Let me know what products y'all use. If you are 4C and your hair, you know, you are a natural straight. This hair is already starting to tangle. It's because I'm sweating in the back. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Make sure that you guys click the link down below if you're interested in these pieces that I'm wearing today. They are super gorgeous, super classy. It definitely goes with this style. Actually, it's making this style look a little better, because if I didn't have these earrings on, who knows how I would be looking right now. Make sure you click the link down below. That supports me and my channel. Also, you'd be supporting a brand whose first goal is to make conscious jewelry. Support luxury brands that are good for the environment and also more accessible to everybody, no matter where you are. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.